Let's learn how to install a wall panel. It can be installed directly on the rough wall or treated walls and can be folded 90 degrees. Can be heated by a hot air blower to create curved shapes. Step 1. Get the tools ready. Step 2. Measure the length and width of the wall. Step 3. Cut the wall panels to size. Make sure the cross-section is smooth without burrs. Step 4. Skirting install. Fasten with a nail gun. Step 5. The first wall panel installation. Step 6. Install buckle in groove. Then the second piece was spliced. At last, check the details after installation. If you want to know more, contact us.